Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into your review channel. Yes, we're doing the update on the Shark Vacuum Pro. This is the, did the unboxing, so if you didn't see the unboxing, check that video out. You can see that, how the whole unboxing. This is what it looks like when it's in this mode here, so it's kind of sitting on its own, it's bent over. This is how you set it. Here's the charger. The charger goes in here. I already fully charged it. To just see a couple notes, when you have it plugged in and being charged, it won't run at all. That's number one. So that you need to know. So we're doing a full test. This is brand new and empty. So you know that. That's ready to be tested. It's all put together. So I like the design. It's very compact, very small. I like that. So when you're done using it, you can either take the battery off and charge it, or you can just bring it over to an outlet, plug it in, and charge it. So that's all set. The two crevice tools, we went over that before. If you didn't see that, check out the other video. You'll see what these are all about. The crevice tool and also the combination brush, as you can see here. Easy to connect and easy to disconnect. Super simple. And this is a Shark anti-allergen dust brush, which is cool to know. And this actually goes, twists around, easy to use. Another thing. So really the main thing is just to see how it works. That's the main thing. So before we do that, just to let you know, this does come off. It does have a filter, HEPA filter installed. So that's important to know as well. And this does come off as well. This whole thing comes right off, and I'll show you that. You can see here this does come off, and this is the bottom filter. You just take this filter out. You can wash this, the underlaying filter, wash that. Super simple. There's the motor suction. So this is really simple design, very easily managed and put together. So let's. And here's the head. There's the power head like we talked about before, and here is the Cordless Pro logo. Let's go up here. Here is the Shark, and here is the controls of the button. So here's the power button here. Let's turn that on. Okay. So it's running right now. It's got the, it tells you right now it's cleaning at IQ, which is roughly, let's go to, this is economy mode. And that runs approximately 40 minutes. And here are the headlights. Like I said before, the headlights are on. So let's try it in economy mode. It runs around, like I said, 40 minutes, and in the high power, roughly 20. Now let's do high power. And that has a sensor. There's the light up of the red, that's the sensor. And that's just a clean sense, that has that. So that's maximum power right there. That's with clean sense technology. And let's just see how it does. First of all, my impressions, it's very light, number one. I like that. It's easy to push. Let's just see what we got here. I'm just gonna go in a small section here. You can see here you can pivot easily. Got the nice headlights, just like you see there. Let's go over here. I got some dirt here. It's picking up everything pretty good, I have to tell you. So far, so good. Some more dirt here. Let's see how that goes. More dirt here. And I did sprinkle a little bit of dirt down just to get an idea, but this hasn't been vacuumed about a week. I wanted to give it a good test and just see how it goes. Just look at this here, it's getting full of dust. You can see that already. That's pretty good. That's actually, it's a small section I did so far. I like the feel of it. It's got the same feel as the Dyson overall, but I think it's doing a better job than the Dyson. It's got a little wiggle here. You see the wiggle? So that should be not a big problem, but that's just how that works. Again, we're at full power still. Seems to be running pretty good. All right. All right, let's put a full power here. Then it's full power. Getting more suction. Going over the same section again. I want to see what we end up with in a small area here. You see that? Just take a dump test. We'll take a look and see how much we have. We're going to hit the button right here, like I said before. Easy to open. Let's just dump this right out. Let's see what we have. So this was a very quick test. You can see here, quite a bit of dirt came off this floor here. You can see a lot of dust, a lot of debris and dirt. You can just see that. So for a small section here, that to me says a lot. That did a super nice job. I love the way it looks. We're going to leave this here. Let's go do the hardwood floors real quick and see what we got from that. So far, so good. I'm liking the feel of this vacuum. I like the way it feels. It's balanced on the handle. Feels nice And we'll see. Like I said, it's half the price, a third of the price of the Dyson. Some of the Dysons are $1,000. This was like maybe $250, something like that. So far, I'm very happy with the performance. And we have the crevice tool here. It works pretty well, I have to say. That works excellent. I like that a lot. Also the tool, the soft brush tool, you can use on shades. You can see how that works. That's works very well, actually. I like that. And the allergy brush is, I would say, more for like surface cleaning as well. So let's see here. Very nice. You can see how that works like that. Perfect. I like that very much as well. That works really good. That's fantastic. I love the way that works. That seems nice and smooth and dusts really nicely. Okay, so we're on the hardwood floors here. Let's just take a look. Put this on, power it up. It's got a sensor on it, so it's sensing what it has to sense, so it's slowing down, doesn't need as much power. So it knows that it's not carpeting, which I like that. I did empty out the bucket. So as it goes around, it's sensing what it needs to sense. Let's go in the dark area so you can see how the lights work. The lights are very cool. And I think the sensor is picking up some dirt and just actually giving more power to the system, which is actually really cool. And we're at a carpet over here, so let's go right to the carpet. Right there. So that's working pretty well. Let's go there. And back to the hardwood. And we did go down one bar. We've been running approximately around 10 minutes. So you do get it, like I said, around, I would say average it around 12 minutes of use, 12 to 15 minutes. You probably need a second battery, which wouldn't be a bad idea. Let's go over here. Okay, so we're doing one more dump test here. This is with the hardwood floor and a combination of carpeting. Let's empty that out. And you can see here, within a few minutes, you can see there's dirt, there's dust. It definitely does its job. So far, so good. I'm liking this vacuum quite a bit. Feels good in hand. It is discharging a little bit faster than I thought it would, but we'll have to cycle the battery and see how it goes. We'll keep testing it, but so far, I definitely recommend the Shark Cordless Pro Vacuum. Definitely like it. Here's some dust here. You just pick that up. Right in front of your eyes, you can see that. It picked it right back up again, so that's some good power, good suction. Yeah, it's got a lot of suction. Alright guys, that's it for me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this unboxing. And actually, the unboxing was before. If you enjoyed this review, let me know. Leave some comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out quite a bit. And also consider that super thanks below. That super thanks helps support my channel. Everything I do raise with the super thanks does help support my channel, so I can do some more reviews and give you more information so you can make an educated decision about products. I appreciate it as always. Check out all the videos on my channel, and I'll leave a link down below for the unboxing of this vacuum as well. Appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next one.